Hey, Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. We're down to about 3 minutes to launch. So here I am. I'm going to be here for you guys that can't be here to see it. So here we go. Get ready, guys. It's almost 6 o'clock and it's a beautiful day in Chincoteague. Look at that sunset we got. So hold on, guys. What are you talking about, my phone?
With locks loading nearly complete, Electron is almost ready to head to space. Let's hand things over to the team at the ICF and Mission Control and listen in on the last few minutes. We'll be back with you shortly after liftoff.
1 minute.
Which could be any time because it's always delayed. Keep looking.
5, 4, 3.
There we go, lighting up. There it goes. Look at that, guys.
I see it.
Woo! Woo! Rocket Lab! All right. This is so cool. And there's the noise. It's going to come right over our heads. Oh my gosh. It's coming right over our heads.
Jupiter, the moon, the satellite.
Yeah. No, the shaking wasn't as bad as the Antares. It's right above me. This is not comfortable.
This is awesome.
This is so cool. Sally, you're cracking me up. Oh my goodness, it's just going to look like a giant star up there.
All right, awesome.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the rocket launch.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Cool. We'll watch it again. There you go. Watch it again.